In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark theme on Discord app by using your iPhone and iPad. Okay, first open your Discord app and then click here. Then click on settings. Then scroll down a little bit. Then under app settings, you can see this option appearance. Open that. Then open theme. Here at the bottom we can have a lot of options. Click this to full dark theme, and this is for midnight dark theme, and this option will only available for Nitro. It's a paid version, so I just stick to this midnight dark theme. You can also use any of these two. And this is how you can turn on Discord dark theme on iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.